Hello, my name is Brent McCall with Metra Home Theater Group, and I'd like to introduce you to the FM44. Now, the FM44 is a full-motion single-arm mount with a built-in back box for flush installation in your house. What is nice about this unit is the wide variety of VESA patterns that it will support, along with 75 pounds of television weight at full extension, and with lots of room inside the box to put your extenders, your modulators, demodulators, all your breakout devices, and your repair tools. A lot can fit in this unit. It's available now and is shipping. Please contact your Metra Home Theater salesperson or go to metrahometheater.com.